Do you know what your ring size is? Maybe you do for your ring finger, but what about the others? I'm James, your virtual jewelry expert, and I'm going to let you in on a few of my tips and tricks to finding your ring size. If you like helpful tips and tricks, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and go ahead and subscribe. Here on JewelryWise, we're always releasing fresh new content to help you in your jewelry journey. Determining your ring size can seem confusing, but it is a straightforward process that can be accomplished using a few simple methods ensuring a perfect fit for your jewelry. One of the most reliable ways to figure out your ring size is to measure an existing ring that fits you well. Start by taking the ring and measuring its inner diameter in millimeters using a ruler or caliper. Once you have the measurement, consult a ring size chart which correlates the diameter to the corresponding ring size. This method works best for rings that you frequently wear, as they are likely to reflect your true size. If you don't have a ring to measure, you can create a makeshift measuring tool using a piece of string or a thin strip of paper. Wrap the string or paper around the base of your finger where the ring will sit, ensuring it's snug but not too tight. Mark the point where it overlaps, then lay it flat and measure the length with a ruler. Again, refer to a ring size chart to convert this measurement into the appropriate ring size. To ensure accuracy, it's a good idea to measure your finger at the end of the day when they are slightly larger due to natural swelling from heat or activity. Additionally, consider that different ring styles can fit differently. Wider bands may feel tighter than narrower ones. So, if you have a specific style in mind, you might want to adjust accordingly. For the most reliable sizing, visiting our professional jewelers in store is recommended. We can provide an accurate measurement using specialized tools and can even offer guidance on selecting the best fit for comfort and lifestyle. Whether you're shopping for an engagement ring or a special gift, knowing your correct ring size ensures a satisfying purchase and a piece that you'll love wearing. If this video caught your attention or helped answer any of your questions, hit that thumbs up. We want to hear what you think, so drop a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to JewelryWise to keep getting cool insights, tips, and the down low on the latest jewelry trends.